All right, we got a key fob from a 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander here. I'll show you how to open it up to replace the battery. It's really simple. We're gonna come over here to this bottom button on the back side. We're gonna slide the slider over to the left, hold it, and that will release the emergency door key that's right here on the side, like this. Okay. Once we have that taken out, if we look into the remote, there's a slot right here. Okay, not this slot where the emergency key came out of, this slot right here. We're gonna use a small flathead screwdriver. We're gonna put it in here like this, and we're gonna give it a twist. And that twist opens the remote up. And that allows you to open the remote without damaging it, the sides or anything like that. If it does damage it, it's in the inside where you can't see it, okay? So when we do this, we want to do this with the buttons facing down so we don't lose anything when we open it up. Put your thumb on it like this. You want to hold everything nice and together. Come down here and just pop the battery out of its holder at the bottom, okay? So the battery size is written on the front of the battery, and it's a CR2450. Was it a positive sign facing out towards us? It's a Panasonic battery. If you want to get a Panasonic battery, I'll have a link down in the description box and in the comment box where you can get a new one. This is super quick there and super affordable. You just slap the new one in like this, just lock it in like that. You need to make sure this is all set back down the way we took it out. So we're going to recenter this. There's a rubber seal here, and we need to get it in between the rubber seal so everything's nice and flat before we go and put the back cover back on. Start at the top, work our way down, just lock it all back together like that, and get the emergency key, door key, and put it in here. If it locks back in, looks real good, you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I would really appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button for me and support the channel. Hit the comment button and the like button. That would be wonderful too. Thank you for watching the video.